Next, step into Hammam Al-Basha, Akko's beautifully restored Turkish bathhouse from the Ottoman period. Built in the late 18th century by Ahmed al-Jazzar, this bathhouse served as a social and cultural hub for the city's residents. The intricate architecture, with its elegant domes, marble slabs, and colorful mosaics, showcases the luxurious design typical of Ottoman baths. Visitors can explore the various rooms, including the frigidarium, cool room, tepidarium, warm room, and caldarium, hot room, each designed to provide a unique bathing experience. Hammam Al-Basha offers a fascinating glimpse into the past, where you can imagine the lively conversations and relaxing moments that took place within these historic walls. It's a perfect spot to appreciate the rich cultural tapestry that makes Akko so special.